Advanced machines decide which watermelon goes where or cooler in seconds. The journey begins at the watermelon farm, right after harvesting. Watermelons are transported directly from farms to processing factories. Each watermelon is carefully unloaded for automated processing. Powerful machines wash every watermelon to remove dirt and dust. Clean watermelons move forward on food-grade conveyor systems. Smart scanners check the size and quality of each watermelon.
Watermelons are sorted automatically based on weight and shape.
Selected watermelons are precisely cut using industrial machines. Inside, the watermelon reveals its fresh and juicy texture.
Cut watermelon pieces move smoothly to the next stage.
Machines remove seeds quickly and efficiently. Watermelon pieces are shaped for uniform packaging.
Temperature-controlled storage keeps watermelon fresh.
Automated packaging locks in freshness and hygiene. Each watermelon package is labeled for global markets. Final inspections ensure top-quality watermelon products.
Finished watermelon products are ready for shipment.
Heavy machinery moves watermelon shipments efficiently. Refrigerated containers keep watermelons fresh during transport.
Watermelons travel long distances by road.
Watermelons are shipped worldwide by sea.
Finally, fresh watermelon reaches stores near you.